Be quiet. Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made a profile page for the user using Bootstrap, JavaScript and CSS style sheet. Alright, first of all, as you guys can see in our home page, if you sign in, we can go to my eShop. We can go to user profile. As you guys see, we have here my profile, my first name, last name, password, okay, etc. guys, and yeah, it's all user responsive. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the coding, guys. As you guys see in our user profile.php, we have meta targeted user profile eShop is our title on top, as you guys can see, and next we have profile settings and all these dialog boxes. So let's go check that out. So you guys, we have linked our Bootstrap here, and we have resources, logo, we have our logo from resources, create another body called content row and header.php, and we need the connection.php as well, because the assets and all the dialog boxes you see here, all the data is connected to, yeah, and it is in our, as you guys can see, it is in our province. As you guys see, it is in our database. As you guys see, it is in our database. So of course we need connection.php and header. Now, if asset session U, that means if we have signed in before, I've explained this before, U is the asset we give, is the name we given for a process, and a user, if a user is signed in. Email, account session U email, and then we have details, database search from users, search from gender. It basically searches our details. Right now I'm user Binet, as you guys see up here, Binet, and yeah, it searches all our details from here, then applies it to our users. You can see using the gmail.com. Let's then go to Tilka. As you guys can see there, province, my gender male. I cannot change that because that's how I signed in. As you guys see there, yeah. And we had then we have our email, right on top here. Next up we have address, image and address. Image is my profile image right here, as you can see, profile image, left side, right over here. And next we have search from users, has address and city. It says the users, my address, and city, guys. As you guys can see, user has address, my email, as you guys see here, city ID, postal code, line 2, line 1, as you guys see here, city ID, address 2, province, city, as you guys see there, we have that. And yeah, we have put dialog boxes to everything, guys, and we have fetch assets, data, details. We have all the details that I mentioned before. We fetches it from our database, and the links it to our website, guys. And we have about the image, as you guys can see here, as you get right here, images, and we have profile image, as you guys see right here, that linked, as you guys see here, address, fetch, associations. And we open a div class called primary body, big body, rounded, and we have curved borders, etc. Empty image, data path, resources, new, rounded circle, as you guys can see, rounded circle. This is a rounded circle, guys. Basically it's white so you can't see it. And yeah, echo, image, data class, rounded style with viewing, etc. All the things we need for the one-click change image profile, update profile. And yeah, next up we're gonna see how we added these boxes and how we got it in the middle and right over here. You know, script.jss, change product image. Now we're gonna go up. Not update profile. We're gonna go to our style of CSS. As you guys can see, we have our again. Let me just find it real quick. Where is it? could have sworn I had it. Well, just don't. Here we go, guys. Right over here, we open class, justify content between aligned items, center profile settings. It's center. It's in the center of the screen, aligned to the left, as you guys see there. Then we have our first name, last name, as you guys see. We have a class form label, first name input type text, and we have our last name input type text. And then we have our mobile, which you can change it anytime. And we have our right here, mobile form control value. We have our form label mobile, input type text, and then we have our password. What's special about this, guys, is we cannot view it unless we click this right here. See here, password input type class form control randomly value read only value. As you guys see, we can read only, not read password span input group text by primary basic add-on to by I slash field text white. As you guys can see, we can only see a dot 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 here white, but when we click it, it turns white. By only value white means that, guys. And yeah, we've closed our span, closed our div. And next we have a div class called column2l, which email, read only value, etc. And we have another label called registered date. You can only see that in the users table. I will explain that later. You can find address line registered date right here, as you guys see, including the time, guys. Next up, we have our address line 1, as you guys see. Address line 1, text, column control, everything. Basically from our sign up page, just like our sign up page, guys, is all right here. And everything is searched from our database using that particular details and link through connection.php. Next up we have address line 2. As you guys see, we have added a label class, form label 1, input type text, address line 2. And then we have province options, as you guys see. Select from province, database, province. We search our database and select it from province, as you guys see here. Go to our database, select from province, use connection.php to connect it and link it with our website and coding. And then we have our district, the same thing, as you guys can see here, up here. District links it with our coding, like I mentioned before. And then we have our gender, which is not changeable, as you guys can see. Province fetches everything, value, echo province data, searches our database and gets province data and links it with our website. Yeah, and select district, as you guys can see. Select province, select district. And next we have form label city, select city. See, select city from our select city tab from our city database, as you guys see there. And then next up we have database search from city and x++ until the value is 1, as you guys see. Echo data name city in our address data city from yeah. And then we have our address data postal code. We have form label, we put a label class, and then we have input type text, as you guys can see. Text, we can put text, we can put numbers, etc. And next up we have gender, which is not form control, read only value, just like our password, guys. It is a read only value, we cannot edit it in any way. And yeah, gender name, etc. And we close the div, and we have a button called click update profile right over here. Update my profile, and yeah, that's how we did it. We have our display ads up right over here, and yeah, local home, eshop home.php, footer.php, bundle, and then we have link and stop our script, hash script, and also a script.js hash script. We have closed both scripts and we have opened them all right up here, right on the top, as you guys can see. Bootstrapper, style CSS, and script.js. And yeah, guys, that is how I made a user responsive uh, update page for our profile, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys understood and enjoyed. See ya.